We come to the elevator at the Kalamazoo Nature Center. Okay, Grandma.
Okay.
Doors. Go to 1.
This is an old elevator. Of course, 1964, I guess it can't be that. It doesn't have a light.
Is it going down?
I think so. It's just quiet.
It is. And it says this is a Dover.
A Dover. You told me about those, didn't you?
Yep. Here we come to the elevators at Kalamazoo Center again. This time we're going up. The elevator is now being called. As you can notice, the in-use light is red upstairs, but it's yellow down here. And this time we need to go to 2. It's so quiet, you think you'd get stuck. Oh, elevator's here. It's got a bumper sensor. This is a Dover elevator. And you can actually feel it going up. There's the emergency stop, the load switch. Have no idea what that is. Here we are. Let's press.
Give a shot. See if they've been.